Good morning, student. Today I'm discuss about types of concentrated motion in a mechanism. So now see here types of concentrated motion. There are three types of concentrated motion. First one are completely concentrated motion. When the motion between two elements of a pair is in definite direction is called completely concentrated motion. In that figure you can see two elements are attached and the motion between two elements in a definite direction. So that type of a motion is called completely concentrated motion. After that we see in completely concentrated motion when the motion between two elements of a pair is possible in more than one direction and depends upon the direction of the force applied. It is known as incompletely concentrated motion. So in that type of system we see motion between elements of pair is possible in more than one direction. In completely concentrated motion, motion in one direction, and in incompletely concentrated motion, motion of element in more than one direction and depends upon the direction of force. After that we discuss successfully concentrated motion when the motion between two elements of a pair is possible in more than one direction but is made to have motion only in one direction by using some external means. It is successfully concentrated motion. As an example, a shaft in a footstep bearing may have vertical motion from rotary motion. After that let's discuss link. Link is defined as a single part which can be a resistant body or a combination of resistant bodies having inflexible connections and having a relative motion with respect to other parts of a machine. तो लिंक में क्या होता है, सिंगल पार्ट होता है that can resistant body or combination of resistant bodies having inflexible connection इन फ्लेक्सिबल कनेक्शन में होते हैं, फ्लेक्सिबल कनेक्शन नहीं होता है इन सिंगल पार्टों के बीच। एंड हैविंग ए रिलेटिव मोशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू अदर पार्ट्स इन ए मशीन। तो ऐसे जो है सिंगल पार्ट होते हैं जिनके बीच में रिलेटिव मोशन जो है पॉसिबल हो। In a mechanism is made of a number of resistant bodies out of which some may have motion relative to the others। तो कोई भी मैकेनिज्म जो है किससे बना होता है, नंबर ऑफ रेसिस्टेंट बॉडी से बना होता है, और इन नंबर ऑफ रेसिस्टेंट बॉडी के बीच क्या होता है, मोशन रिलेटिव टू द अदर्स। सेकेंड इज ए member or a combination of number of a mechanism connecting other members and having motion relative to them। Here see some example of link। तो that type of link is called binary link। That type of link is called ternary link, and it is called quaternary link। So in next lecture we discuss about kinematic pair and types of kinematic pair, types of kinematic pair classified according to nature of contact, nature of mechanical constraint, nature of relative motion। Thanks।